Welcome to my channel. 100 action verbs with example sentences. Achieve. She hopes to achieve her goals by working hard. Act. He decided to act quickly to prevent further damage. Adapt. Humans have the ability to adapt to various environments. Administer. The nurse will administer the medication at 6 p.m. Advise. I would advise you to seek professional help. Analyze. Scientists analyze data to draw conclusions. Apply. You should apply for the scholarship before the deadline. Appraise. The antique dealer will appraise the vase. Approve. The committee needs to approve the budget. Arrange. Can you arrange a meeting for next Tuesday? Assess. They need to assess the damage after the storm. Assist. I will assist you with your project. Assume. Don't assume the worst, wait for the facts. Attend. Will you attend the conference next month? Audit. The accountant will audit the company's financial records. Build. They plan to build a new hospital in the city. Calculate. Can you calculate the total cost? Capture. The photographer tried to capture the beauty of the sunset. Categorize. Please categorize these documents by date. Chair. She was asked to chair the marketing committee. Challenge. He decided to challenge the decision in court. Change. We need to change our strategy. Check. Always check your work before submitting it. Choose. You can choose any color you like. Clarify. Could you please clarify your statement? Collaborate. They decided to collaborate on the new research. Collect. We need to collect more data. Communicate. It's important to communicate clearly. Compare. Compare the two options before making a choice. Compile. She spent hours to compile the report. Complete. Please complete the form and return it. Compose. The musician will compose a new symphony. Conduct. They will conduct a survey next week. Consolidate. We need to consolidate our resources. Construct. The workers began to construct the new bridge. Consult. You should consult an expert for advice. Control. He struggled to control his emotions. Coordinate. She will coordinate the various project teams. Create. The artist likes to create abstract sculptures. Define. Can you define the term Renaissance? Delegate. A good manager knows how to delegate tasks. Deliver. The postman will deliver the package tomorrow. Demonstrate. The student will demonstrate the experiment. Design. She wants to design a new website. Develop. They plan to develop a new software application. Devise. We need to devise a plan to solve the problem. Diagnose. The doctor will diagnose the patient's illness. Direct. He will direct the new play. Discover. Scientists hope to discover a cure for the disease. Distribute. Please distribute these pamphlets to everyone. Document. It's important to document all your findings. Edit. Please edit this article for clarity. Educate. Teachers aim to educate young minds. Eliminate. We need to eliminate waste from the process. Emphasize. He wanted to emphasize the importance of safety. Enable. Technology can enable new forms of communication. Encourage. We try to encourage creativity in our students. Enforce. The police will enforce the new traffic laws. Engineer. They will engineer a solution to the complex problem. Enhance. Regular exercise can enhance your overall health. Ensure. Please ensure all doors are locked. Establish. They plan to establish a new branch office. Estimate. Can you estimate the cost of the repairs? Evaluate. We need to evaluate the effectiveness of the program. Examine. The doctor will examine the patient. Execute. The team managed to execute the plan flawlessly. Expand. The company plans to expand into new markets. Explain. Can you explain this concept to me? Facilitate. Her role is to facilitate discussions among team members. Formulate. We need to formulate a clear strategy. Generate. The wind turbines can generate electricity. Guide. A good mentor will guide you through your career. Handle. She can handle multiple tasks at once. Identify. Can you identify the source of the problem? Implement. They will implement the new policy next month. Improve. We are always looking for ways to improve our services. Initiate. He decided to initiate the conversation. Inspect. The building inspector will inspect the property. Instruct. The teacher will instruct the students on the new lesson. Interpret. It's important to correctly interpret the data. Interview. The hiring manager will interview the candidates. Investigate. The police will investigate the crime. We need to monitor the patient's vital signs. Negotiate. They will try to negotiate a new contract. Operate. The surgeons will operate on the patient tomorrow. Organize. Can you help me organize these files? Participate. Everyone should participate in the discussion. Perform. The actors will perform live on stage. Plan. We need to plan the event carefully. Prepare. She needs to prepare for her exams. Present. He will present his findings at the conference. Process. The system will process your application automatically. Produce. The factory can produce thousands of units daily. Recommend. I would recommend this book to anyone interested in history. Resolve. We need to resolve this issue quickly. Supervise. She will supervise the construction of the new building. Please like and subscribe my channel and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.